Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Bucked Up Creatine is probably one of the most sought-after supplements in the fitness industry, and for good reason. It's designed to help you push past your limits, increase muscle strength, and improve your overall athletic performance. If you're looking to take your workouts to the next level and see tangible results, this might just be the game changer you've been searching for, offering a potent blend that supports muscle growth and recovery. Number 5. Jacked Factory Creatine Monohydrate Powder 425g. Unlock your athletic potential with our premium creatine monohydrate. It's designed to enhance your strength and endurance, helping you push past your limits. Experience the power of pure creatine monohydrate. Each serving delivers a potent dose to support muscle growth and recovery, ensuring you get the most out of your workouts. Our supplement is proudly vegan-friendly, making it suitable for everyone. Plus, it's third-party tested for purity and potency, so you can trust what you're putting into your body. With 85 servings per container, you'll have a consistent supply of this essential supplement. It's the perfect addition to your daily fitness regimen for sustained results. Enjoy the versatility of our unflavored powder. It easily mixes into your favorite beverages or protein shakes without altering the taste, making it a seamless part of your routine. Whether you're a man or a woman, this creatine supplement is formulated to support your fitness goals. It's an effective way to boost energy and performance for all athletes. What we like. This option is third-party tested for purity and is vegan-friendly. It offers a generous 85 servings per container. If you prioritize tested quality and a plant-based formula, this is a great choice for your supplement needs. What people say. It's completely tasteless. It mixes pretty well into cold liquids, but I prefer it in warm because it's absolutely traceless. By day 8 my muscles were visibly more visible and had a slight ache in some, but for me that was great because it meant it was working. I feel like the strength of it is legit and definitely does work. I haven't felt any side effects. It definitely gave me an energy boost when I started my workouts, and also I noticed that when I clean up around the house I'm getting more accomplished. I had hip surgery a number of years ago and I am not as tight and limited in range of motion anymore. I am able to work out much harder without all the painful recovery periods. No flavor or weird aftertaste. Mixes well in a blender bottler, though you need to shake for a bit, as if you don't it does taste a bit chalky. But if you shake for a bit it does not have a chalk taste and dissolves completely. Noticeable gains in both muscle and in ability to push through final sets. Have been taking it for 2 months now and going to buy more. Performance gains are real. Within 2 weeks of starting the 5G daily dose, I noticed genuine improvements in my lifting performance. My bench press reps increased, and I could push through those final sets that usually left me completely drained. The strength gains weren't dramatic overnight, but they were consistent and noticeable, exactly what you'd expect from quality creatine. Sprint performance during my HIIT sessions also improved noticeably. Less fatigue between rounds and better power output throughout the workout. Mixability and taste, I went with the unflavored version, and it mixes completely clear in water with minimal stirring, no gritty residue or clumping issues. Taste is virtually non-existent, which is perfect for adding to my morning protein shake or pre-workout without affecting flavor. The fact that it dissolves so easily tells me the particle size is well processed, which often correlates with better absorption. Quality you can trust. The CGMP certification gives me confidence in what I'm putting in my body. No artificial colors, fillers, or unnecessary additives, just pure creatine monohydrate. The 425g bottle provides 85 servings, which is excellent value for nearly 3 months of consistent use. Number 4. Cellucor Cor-Performance Creatine Monohydrate. Are you looking to boost your strength and support muscle growth? This advanced formula is designed to help you achieve your fitness goals. Experience the difference it can make in your training. This product features pure creatine monohydrate, a scientifically proven ingredient for enhancing performance. It's an essential supplement for anyone serious about building muscle. Get ready to push your limits. Support your muscle development with every serving. This supplement aids in the process of muscle repair and growth, helping you see tangible results. It's the perfect addition to your post-workout routine. Experience a noticeable improvement in your workout performance. This formula is engineered to help you train harder and recover faster. Unlock your body's true potential. With 72 servings per container, you have a consistent supply to fuel your progress. This means more workouts, more gains, and more achievements. It's a smart investment in your fitness journey. What we like. This product is specifically designed to support muscle growth and enhance strength. With 72 servings, it provides a solid supply for your training regimen. If you are looking to maximize gains and build lean muscle mass, this supplement is tailored for you. What people say. The flavor is great and it mixes well. I've noticed a significant increase in my strength and endurance since starting this creatine. This creatine dissolves very easily in water, no clumps at all. Number 3. Sports Research Micronized Creatine Monohydrate. Ready to take your workouts to the next level? This supplement is designed to help you achieve your fitness goals. It aids in building lean muscle mass, helping you sculpt the physique you desire. See the difference it can make. Experience improved strength and performance during your training sessions. Push your limits further than ever before. Don't let soreness slow you down. This formula supports your body's recovery process after intense exercise. Each serving provides 5 grams of pure, micronized creatine monohydrate. It's easily absorbed for maximum benefit. With 17.64 ounces per container, you have a substantial supply to support your consistent training regimen. What we like. It features micronized creatine for better absorption and aids in workout recovery. This supplement is also geared towards helping you gain lean muscle. If you want faster absorption and quicker recovery post-workout, consider this option. What people say. This is the Cray Pure German creatine. It is very fine, dissolves instantly, and has no taste. I've noticed improved strength and recovery during my workouts. I appreciate that it's micronized and made with clean ingredients. I've noticed a difference in strength and overall endurance during lifting sessions. It's unflavored and micronized, so it mixes really well into water, pre-workout, or even a smoothie, no gritty texture or weird taste. I like that there are no added fillers or unnecessary ingredients, just straight creatine monohydrate. Number 2. Nutricost Micronized Creatine Monohydrate 3000 mg 500 capsules. Unlock your athletic potential with our premium creatine monohydrate. It's designed to support your strength and power goals. Experience the difference of our finely micronized powder. This ensures optimal absorption and effectiveness for your workouts. Each capsule delivers a potent dose of creatine monohydrate. Get the fuel you need to push your limits. With 500 capsules per bottle, achieving your fitness goals has never been easier. Simply take the recommended serving daily. Support your muscle growth and strength gains with consistent use. It's the perfect supplement for serious athletes. We are committed to providing high-quality supplements. You can rely on us to support your health and fitness journey. What we like. This comes in a convenient capsule form, making dosing simple and mess-free. It is also micronized for easier digestion. If you dislike mixing powders or prefer a straightforward, no-fuss way to get your creatine, these capsules are ideal. What people say. The micronized formula dissolves easily in water, which makes mixing simple and mess-free. I've noticed increased strength and stamina during my training sessions, and I really appreciate the quality of this product. Each capsule contains a precise dose of 3000 mg of micronized creatine monohydrate, ensuring consistency and potency with every serving. The capsules are also free from unnecessary fillers, additives, and artificial ingredients, making them a clean and reliable choice for those seeking pure and effective supplementation. Number 1. Force Factor Creatine Monohydrate Powder. Elevate your fitness journey with our premium creatine monohydrate. It's designed to help you achieve your muscle growth and strength goals. Experience enhanced recovery after intense workouts. This formula supports improved performance, allowing you to push your limits further. Beyond physical benefits, it also supports cognitive health. Enhance your memory and mental clarity with this powerful supplement. Enjoy the pure, unflavored powder that mixes easily into any beverage. It's the perfect addition to your daily routine without altering taste. Each container provides 60 servings, offering a convenient and long-lasting supply. Fuel your body and mind with consistent results. What we like. Beyond muscle support, it also offers benefits for cognitive health and memory. The micronized dose ensures effective delivery. If you're looking for a creatine that supports both your physical performance and mental clarity, this one is a strong contender. What people say. The micronized formula dissolves completely in room temperature water with just a few stirs, no gritty sediment at the bottom like my previous brand. Within 2 weeks, I noticed I could push through those last 2 to 3 reps that usually had me failing. My bench press went from struggling with 185 pounds to confidently hitting 195 pounds for the same rep count. The creatine is micronized, which means it mixes easily in water or juice and doesn't leave a chalky aftertaste. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.